travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you don't.
All right, guys, we got Tom from the life. Just got into Saskatchewan, Canada.
Saskatoon.
He's got his boy Dakota, and we're ready to roll. We got
ready?
Louis. We got 3.5 hours of trip.
I gotta get my bow can. You know? If not, there's a lot of bows here. You righty or lefty?
Let's see. A lot of bows right there. So,
Dude, we just got the rundown. Things are
looking good.
Yeah, the weather is
Perfect.
right? And it's coming off of snow last week. So he's like, from snow to this. He's like, dude,
Stupid good.
So
Looking forward.
Indoor, where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going
You know, this week I traveled to Saskatchewan, Canada, chasing black bears with Bear and Buck Obsession Outfitters. It's gonna be really neat to work us alongside with Tom, Petrie, and Nick of the Life and the Bearded Buck to see how a show's made and do some filming with them. So it should be a great week. We're really looking forward to it. A lot of great bears on camera. You know, we're in beautiful Canada. Let's see what happens.
Hey, has anyone ever told you you're really handsome? You kind of look like an actor.
are you trying to get the good spot again?
Yeah.
What you asking?
No, I said no.
You're completely
Badlands. What about Badlands?
Thank you, sir.
Justin.
Yes, sir.
You're beside me.
All right, just sighting in our bows for the afternoon hunt. It's just absolutely gorgeous here, about 55 degrees, and in sunny Saskatchewan. So let's see what we can do. If we hit it like that, we got a dead bear.
Heart of summer, she hopped right up into the cab of my truck and said, fire it up, let's go get this thing stuck. Baby, what song you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle every little farm town. With you in this brand new Chevy with a lift kit, would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, what song you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise my windows down.
All right, first sit in Saskatchewan, bear country, right in the bush. Took us about 2 hours to get in the stand. You know, obviously we had a cluster with the truck and the four-wheel getting stuck, but you know, obviously we made it. He actually had a nice bear come in about 1 this morning, so hopefully the boar will be back and catch it on film.
First night and no bears, but it was a beautiful night. And
Lon had built the fire. I didn't build that fire. I just got started.
This doesn't suck to wake up to in the morning. Beautiful sun coming up over the trees, in the bush. Gonna go chasing black bears after a little breakfast.
You got a thing for the fast life, so come on shorty, let me show you what the fast life. Whipping across the border, Florida into Georgia, cause baby you a song and you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle every hood, every town.
All right, day 2, Saskatchewan. Had no movement last night. It was kind of boring. Had a little moose coming after dark. That was pretty neat. Had 3 bears down, 1 cinnamon and 2 black. So we switched spots. Got a fresh beaver at the site, and they've been seeing some shooters coming in the last 3 or 4 nights. So got all the cameras ready to roll. Got about 5.5 hours sit, and let's see if he comes in for a little snack and he can have a little G5.
The bear actually walks toward my tree. All I can think about is the Revenant and when the bear attacks Leonardo. And it actually comes straight down under my tree stand for a couple minutes. It literally is looking up at me. It's going to get interesting. And one of the craziest things happened in the woods in the next few seconds. So stay tuned.
This was a cool night. Glad I got it all on film. And hopefully we'll be back in the same spot tomorrow. Boy, there are bears all over this place. I don't know if I can sleep tonight.
Tonight you'll have one exciting night. I'm sure you're going to shoot some big bear.
Nice. Everyone, this is day 3. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. Perfect time. It's gorgeous weather again. Had some cool footage with the bear coming in earlier. So tonight he's going to be a good goner. Comes in on this trail. I got my GoPro standing right there. Hopefully gonna get the kill shot. That'll be awesome from that view.
As this bear's coming in, all I can focus on is making sure every camera is on and press record. GoPros and main cameras and side cameras. As a solo hunter, it's one of the toughest things to do when you're about to take a shot. As the bear's coming in, have to refocus my main camera in front of the GoPro, try to calm down as my heart is beating out of my chest, and take the shot. Yes! Yes!
Yes. Okay, wait for the death moan. Wait for it. don't know if he's the biggest bear, but I tell you what, that was freaking awesome. Whew. I think I'm gonna get down and check my arrow, and then get ready to find that baby. Whew. Yes. Beautiful broadhead. You can see the fletchings. Whew, man, pretty intense. All right, let's go try to find this. We're starting to go look for my bear. We got a lot of things going on right now. Crash this way. We've been following the blood sign for about 30 yards. Looking pretty good. Still thick. Oh, there he is! Yeah! Right there. What a beautiful bear. There he is, baby. Down for the count. Yes. Wow. All right, got on the ground up in Saskatchewan, Canada, to my first black bear solo hunt by myself. You know, thanks to Tom Petrie and Nick and everyone at the Life and the Bearded Buck with Jerry and Ron. Those guys are great for letting me come up here and join those guys in filming this great adventure that we were on. It's beautiful up here in Canada with Bear and Buck Obsession Outfitters with Louie. My guide Pierre just was working with me all week, and I got something to show for it. So it was really neat to get this on camera, all different views, and show you guys. And boy, I'm getting eaten alive by these mosquitoes, which I'll be getting out of here shortly, hopefully. And I don't know what to say. It's just it's been an experience that I'll never forget, for sure.